China's National Bureau of Statistics revised the national growth rate for 2019 lower on Wednesday with major cuts in the manufacturing sector. The downward adjustment gives the country a lower base for which to report growth for 2020. GDP last year now rose only 6% to 98.65 trillion yuan, $15.1 trillion versus 6.1% as previously reported, the bureau said. The primary reason by far was a 503.8 billion yuan, $77.15 billion reduction in manufacturing, or about 2% of the sector's original contribution to growth in 2019. This suggests the impact of the US-China trade war on China's manufacturing activity has been underestimated. Trade tensions between the world's two largest economies began to escalate in 2018, with friction rising the following year as both countries applied tariffs on goods from the other, and the US putting major Chinese technology companies on blacklists. Both countries reached a temporary truce with the signing of the Phase 1 trade agreement in January 2020. The Statistics Bureau made the greatest upward changes to the tertiary or services industry, with information transmission, software and IT services rising 70.2 billion yuan. China regularly revises its GDP figures, often toward the end of the year. Many doubt the accuracy of the statistics as local governments typically face political pressure to meet preset growth targets. This year, in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic, the central Chinese government made a rare decision not to announce a GDP growth target. Analysts generally anticipate growth of around 2% in 2020.